What's the meaning of cautiously? Cautiously. Cautiously.
Cautiously. Cautiously. Cautiously is an adverb that describes an action or behavior performed with care, attention, and prudence. It suggests acting in a careful and deliberate manner, paying attention to potential risks, and avoiding impulsive decisions. A cautious approach is often taken when there is uncertainty or potential danger involved. Being cautious can help prevent mistakes, problems, and accidents. However, being overly cautious can also lead to missed opportunities and slow progress. Therefore, finding the right balance between caution and taking calculated risks is crucial for achieving success in many areas of life.